Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're looking at the best curly hair iron curler you can get your hands on right now. The Conair Double Ceramic 1-inch Curling Iron. If you've been searching for a tool that gives you frizz-free, long-lasting curls without breaking the bank, this might just be the styling companion you need. Let's jump straight into what makes this curling iron stand out. First of all, it's designed with double ceramic technology, which means the heat distribution across the barrel is super even. That helps eliminate hot spots and reduces the risk of hair damage, all while delivering consistent results. The 1-inch barrel is a classic size, ideal for creating traditional curls that work on short, medium, or long hair. Whether you're prepping for a night out or just want a fresh look for the day, this curler is versatile enough to handle it all. Now let's talk heat settings, because not all hair types are the same. This curling iron gives you 30 heat settings, so whether your hair is fine, thick, wavy, or straight, you've got plenty of options. Plus, there's a turbo heat boost setting for when you need that extra burst of heat to lock in a curl. Especially useful for those with stubborn or coarse strands. Using this curler is also a smooth experience. The cool tip at the end of the barrel ensures safe handling while styling, and the recessed buttons mean you're not accidentally switching it off mid-curl. That small detail might seem minor, but it saves a lot of frustration. One of the key features that makes the Conair Double Ceramic Curling Iron great for travel is its dual voltage capability. That means whether you're in the US or abroad, this tool is ready to go. It also comes with an automatic shut-off feature for extra peace of mind, especially if you're someone who often leaves home wondering, did I turn the curling iron off? From a design standpoint, the white and rose gold color combination looks sleek and modern. It's not just about functionality, this curler also looks great on your vanity. So who is this for? Really, anyone who wants long-lasting, smooth curls with minimal frizz. If you're someone who prefers to have a reliable styling tool at home, one that doesn't overcomplicate things but still delivers results, this curling iron fits the bill. It's easy to use for beginners but also customizable enough for experienced users who want precision in their styling. Let's not forget the price. Coming in under $20, it's an absolute steal for the value you're getting. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, which makes it perfect not just for home use but for throwing in your suitcase for that next trip. So, to sum it up, even heat distribution, 30 adjustable heat settings, travel-friendly features, and a design that's both functional and stylish. The Conair Double Ceramic 1-inch Curling Iron earns its title as the best curly hair iron curler out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're considering upgrading your styling tools, this one's definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our in-depth product breakdowns. See you in the next review.